Hey guys, how's it going? And welcome back. So this is a test of the built-in camera, which is only 720p on the MacBook Air M1, and its microphone. Just sitting here doing some yakking, which is, you could be doing this as like a YouTube video, like I don't know, telling people about your day, vlog post, right? Um, so just general sit around, chewing the fat kind of thing. You're on FaceTime, for example, with somebody. This is the kind of quality of picture you can expect with a little bit of extra lighting, which I've added in to brighten things up and remove some of the grain out of the picture, some of it at least. And of course, this is the audio you're going to expect from just chit chatting, and that's about it, right? So, anyways, for our next test, of course, we're going to see, if you're going to do a live recording, even though it's not professional level, we get it. You're going to just, do a little bit of a video with, playing an instrument, maybe singing, that sort of thing. Let's do that test. See how well the microphone works in this particular laptop, okay? Now, it's going to be one of mine just because, we don't want to get in trouble with YouTube, right? Wanna serve you, Lord, for the rest of my days. I want to be like Jesus. I wanna make the rain go away. I wanna make the sun shine. I wanna change the color of the sky. Now, I did kind of change the words in that song a little bit, just to skip ahead a little further. But that's what we can expect for video quality, sound quality, straight into the computer. Now, many people know that when I do music gear videos, I do room audio, okay? I don't do going through my mixing console and my USB interface and all that jazz, and I also don't change anything about the the sound, just right in, right? That way. I don't generally use the gear for that. For a room video, I would just simply use my Shure MVP Studio mic, which is just sitting out on my desk, and it picks up the audio, and you get to know what it sounds like in a actual room situation. Okay, so any natural echo that's in here, that sort of thing. And I was actually really impressed. I got a comment from a YouTuber the other day on one of my videos that he's like, finally, a video that has the room sound, right? Because everybody does a lot of processing, a lot of changing, coloring the EQ to make it sound like it actually really isn't in reality, which makes it very hard to judge whether or not a particular piece of gear is right for you or not. So by doing basically like an open air type mic situation where it's straight in, with the room picking up all of it, that actually gives a more truer representation of the gear. Because I know myself, I've been fooled before with looking at pedals and stuff, and I was really cheesed because no matter what setting I tried, that guy tried, there was no way. And I tried different amps, guitars, all that just to get that sound because it's like, that's what I'm after. But yeah, I was a fool, like many others. Didn't realize at that moment, wait a minute. Let's go back a few paces. This has been fully edited, like severe, and there's no way these pedals can sound this way. So I was really upset after wasting a bunch of money, and I actually ended up getting rid of those pedals at a loss, of course, because I mean, that is not a fair way to represent a product to anybody. I do tons of reviews on all kinds of products, no matter what they are. And, I'm fair about it, and I'm, very upfront and honest about it. And yeah, okay, we're room micing it. We're not going to do this. If I'm going to use my mixer and my USB interface, I'm doing that for a more professional level recording. You know, I'm not going to use that stuff to show a piece of gear off because it's actually not fair, right? So, anyways, that's a little bit of my little rant on that. But let me know what you guys thought in the comments below, not regarding that, but regarding the picture quality at 720p on this M1 MacBook Air, as well as the audio for not just talking, but for the music, how it worked out. In your opinion, this is the best that this laptop can actually do just on its own, and it's picking up the room sound, obviously. Okay. So there you go. Anyways, thanks so much for watching, and we'll be sure to catch you guys on the next video. We do have a lot more testing yet to do with the MacBook Air, and then we'll have a finalized actual video on this thing. I have another little treat for you guys too on this thing. Anyways, see ya.